In this lesson, you will learn how to do step 1 for making the backpack, which is preparing the fabric for fabric layout. So before you pin the fabric together, you need to determine or look at certain things on the fabric. The first thing that you need to do is find out what is the right side, which is the good side, and the wrong side. So we can obviously tell that this is the right side and this is the wrong side. The next thing you need to do in this rectangle is to decide, of the 4 sides, what are the 2 cut edges and what are the 2 salvage edges. Now, the 2 cut edges are easy to figure out because they are the 2 edges where they cut it at the fabric store, and they will ravel if you do take the threads and pull them. The salvage edges then, of course, are the opposite 2 edges, which may have writing on them. They may be white, or they may just look like the other fabric, but it will not ravel. So now that we've determined the right sides, the wrong sides, the cut edges and the salvages, now we need to fold the fabric in half. So to do that, you want your right sides on the inside. You want to take 1 salvage edge and bring it up to match up with the other salvage edge. So I'm going to pick up the 1 salvage edge with the right sides on the inside and match it up with the other salvage edge. All right, now I want to make sure that I pin these salvages, that they are even. So in order to do that, the cut edges may not be even, so don't worry about that. I want to start right here and pin. And to pin, remember again, I am left-handed, so I will be pinning with my left hand. If you're right-handed, you will be pinning this way. I will take the pin, go in, hit the table, make a little bump or a mountain, and push the pin back out again. I will move over about 3 inches, make sure the fabric is even. Again, take a pin, go in, hit the table, make a little mountain, and push it out again. I will move over about 2 to 3 inches, hit the table, make a little mountain, push out again. Please remember to keep your fingers out of the way when you are pinning. Those pins are sharp. When you're finished, you will have about 5 to 6 pins along the top of your salvage. When you are finished pinning the salvage, you should take your hand and make sure that you get any big wrinkles or bumps out of your fabric, and make sure your fabric is smooth. When you are doing this, make sure you do not run your hand along the salvage so that you do not run a pin into your hand.